So to be honest, this is my situation. I have just completed 4 lectures of audit.
Hello everyone, my name is Gautam and I am a CA aspirant fighting with my lectures. Not right now. Bro, right now I am in middle of mountains sitting at a shop eating samosas and thinking of how will I complete my lectures and how will I be able to pass my exams in such a short time.
I am here with my notebook and right now I am far away from my syllabus, but I am trying my best to cover it.
Wait, आपको व्यू दिखाता हूँ.
So to be honest, this is my situation. I have just completed 4 lectures of audit. You can check it out. And just I have completed 2 lectures of costing and 2 lectures of FM and not yet started SM. So you can guess what situation I am in right now. And this is my starting when I have started my lectures from 15th of Jan. First 8 days were unimaginable, but after that you can see what happened, and I will try my best to cover this soon.
I have a total of 250 lectures right now, and out of which I have just completed 52 lectures and approx 198 lectures are pending right now, and I don't know how will I cover it, but I am trying my best to cover it. So where I am, you can guess through the pictures I have shown above. See, I'm not here to have fun, but I am here to get some blessings before appearing for my 26 Group 2 exams. And also, I want to clear that it is my first attempt. There's a good news, not for me, but for you. Those who are preparing for September 26 or onwards, I have some free lectures for you. You can use them. They are live lectures, full-fledged lectures, and you can use them easily for Group 2. Because in Group 1 there will be changes in taxation and some changes are in law, but for Group 2 you can fully use them, and in next video I will explain how to assess those lectures. These lectures are of Jan 26, and if you want these lectures, comment down below. In next video I will be telling all the details. So if you want these lectures, please subscribe to the channel right now. Now let's talk about my lectures. Right now I don't have any study plan, no preparation, no planning, no strategy.
I don't know how will I manage to complete my lectures plus revision, but I will try my best to complete it and pass in my 26. Check this out. भाई माथा टेक लो कि पास हो जाए my 26 में जो भी एग्जाम दे रहे हैं.
At the end I want to say, my syllabus might be incomplete today, but quitting is not the part of the game. I might be late, but I am on my way to conquer this journey. So मिलते हैं फिर. Zero civic sense. Now let's conclude the video. Here the big question is, during first 8 days, consistency was fully maintained. I was completing 4 lectures a day. But what happens after 8th day? Sometimes 1 lecture, sometimes 0, and sometimes 3 lectures. So consistency was suddenly broken up. In every student's journey, there are phases of ups and downs. Sometimes we study more and sometimes we study less. But I think so what matters is showing up daily. In my case, why did I not study? There were certain events that were really important to attend, and also there was a medical emergency, but still I have shown up and tried to complete lectures that I was able to. And from now onwards I will try my best to complete even more lectures that I have previously postponed. So this is all for the video, and this Tuesday I am making a video for law, and where I will explain how to score exemption in law, and it's what strategy you should follow to score an exemption. So subscribe to the channel for more such informative content, and don't forget to watch that video on Tuesday.